Good evening to everyone. Today the RIMC has released the June 2023 notification. So we can discuss what is the important dates of notification. So the Rashtriya Indian Military College, Dehradun, on 3rd February 2023 just released today a notification that the qualifying examination for admission of students to the Rashtriya Indian Military College, Dehradun for the January 2024 term. January 2024 term. Okay. The RIMC entrance examination for admission of boys and girls to class 8th for the January 2024 term will be held at the specified center within the country on 3rd June 2023, that is Saturday. The candidate will be examined in the following. These are the subjects: English, mathematics, general knowledge, and Viva Voice. Viva Voice is only for the candidate who qualify in the written examination. So English paper is 125 maximum marks, and mathematics is 200, and GK is 75, and Viva Voice is 50 marks. Those who are qualified in RIMC entrance examination, they have to secure at least 50% marks in each subject. Okay, so they will be called for Viva Voice. So next, the eligibility criteria is very important here. Eligibility criteria is education qualification. Those who are studying now class 7 or past class 7 or class 7, okay, by as on 1st January 2024, they are the eligible. And the age is very important here. The age is boys and girls both are eligible. Boys and girls both are eligible to apply for admission to the RIMC Dehradun. The candidate should in the age bracket of 11 and a half to 13 years as on 1st January 2024. They should not be born earlier than 2nd January 2011 and not later than 1st July 2012. Okay, this is the very important criteria. And the written examination will be held on 3rd June at the respective capitals of the states. Okay, so the mathematics is 9:30 AM to 11 AM on 3rd June. Candidate may answer in Hindi or English. Okay, and the general knowledge is 12 to 1, and English is 2:30 to 4:30. Okay, move on the next page. So see here, what are the next? Viva Voice. Viva Voice will be held for only those candidates who qualify the written examination. The list will be sent to the respective state government by the RIMC after approval of the headquarter ARTRAC. Okay, this will be intimated after conducting the examination. Okay, the next important is, it is therefore mandatory such candidate to get application deposited the same. Next, result will be uploaded on RIMC website. Okay, next, the procedure to obtain, very important, how to obtain the application form. The prospect cum application form and booklet of old question papers can be obtained from Rashtriya Indian Military College, okay, by paying online payment. The prospect cum application form and booklet of old question paper can be obtained by making online payment of rupees 600 for general candidate and 555 for SC/ST candidate on RIMC website. Okay, if you don't know about the how to get the application, please comment in the comment section, so I can upload a separate video how to obtain the application form and how to fill up if any doubts. Okay, next, by sending demand draft also there is a provision. So what is the provision? The prospect cum application form and booklet of old question paper can be obtained by sending a written request with a demand draft of rupees 600 for general candidate, same, and the 555 for SC/STs, along with the caste certificate in favor of the commandant RIMC Dehradun. Dry bank is State Bank of India, Tel Bhavan, Dehradun. Bank code is 01576 Uttarakhand. Okay, the address should be type written clearly in capital letters only. Okay, with the pin code and contact number. RIMC will not be responsible for any postal delay. Okay, the application form issued by RIMC only shall be valid. This is very important. Locally printed photocopied without RIMC hologram is not accepted. Okay, no refund of the application fee will be done under any condition. So what are the documents? Very important. This is the very important. Applications are to be submitted in duplicate. The mandatory document required to be attached with the application form is as under. First one is the birth certificate issued by the municipal corporation or gram panchayat. Domicile certificate of the candidate. Domicile means it is residence or nativity. It may be called. It is depend on various states. SC/ST certificate where applicable. Those are SC/ST. They should be obtain the SC/ST certificate. Next, a certificate from the principal of current school in which the student is studying, with photograph attested stating that the date of birth as per the school records, to be submitted in original. Photocopy of Aadhaar card of the candidate both sides is mandatory requirement. Failing which the application will be rejected. 2 passport size photograph. Okay, move on the next page. So next is application form should, very important, the application should reach the respective state governments. The application filled application should be submitted to the state government. Suppose in Telangana state they have to be submit to TSPSC. Likewise the Andhra Pradesh also APPSC. Likewise, okay. The application should be reached by 15th April 2023. Kindly note that the application form must be sent to the state government and not to the Rashtriya Indian Military College. Very, very important. Conduct of examination by states. It is the examination. See here. This is the instruction for state government. Answer books in respect of candidate along with application form may please be forwarded at the end of examination in a sealed cover. This is also instruction to the examiner at the conducting state governments. Okay. The Viva Voice will be conducted by the state government only for those candidates who have qualified in the written examination, and date will be intimated after declaration of result. So these are the important one, and the medical examination is there. It is also candidates should not consider themselves selected until the joining instruction to the call up notices to send them by college authorities. Okay. So this is the notification. End of the notification. The important time frame is given. Important dates. Press note by the state government is 15th February. Last date for acceptance of application by the state government 15th April 2023, and the conduct of examination is 3rd June. Conduct of Viva Voice will be, dates will be intimated after declaration of result. Okay, this will be come to their mails by the state government. So thank you very much. Do like, subscribe and share the information among your friends and those who are very interested about the RIMC, and thank you very much.